write my name in ice. Can't argue with these lazy bitches, I just raise my price.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am going to be showing you how to get this beautiful purple spring look. If you want to get this tutorial and learn how to do this, keep on watching. Okay, so first we're going to start off with a nice clean face. You're going to, apply your eyeshadow base to your eyelids. Keep in mind, all of these products that I am using will be in the description box down below. So check it out. We're going to go on with our setting powder and add that in just so we don't get any creases on our eyelids, because that just does not look cute with makeup. It just doesn't look cute. So you're going to just blend that in. That's going to prep your eyes. We're going to go in with the burgundy color, and we're going to lay that right on the creases of our eyelids. And you're going to start off with a light hand. Don't go in packing on too much in the beginning. Just, get a nice little coat going. I'm going to just keep applying that. That's how it should look. And just go ahead and add a little bit more just to add some more depth to it. Just going to keep applying that. Make sure it's nice and blended, which it is. We're going to go in with a little shimmer. Just going to apply a very little bit because we're not going for super glam. We're going for more so spring and, floral in effect. So we're going to go ahead and add that purple. Now the purple and burgundy is such a pretty effect. I really like it. You're going to go in again with a light hand. Do not go in too heavy-handed because it just will not look the way we want this to look. Now you're going to go in and take that same purple and put it on your bottom lid. I already did my cat eye off camera because it's just easier. It's a lot of tutorials out there on how to do that. You're going to apply your eyelashes now. I'm going for a semi-dramatic eyelash. It may be dramatic to some, but this is not really dramatic to me. This is more mid-dramatic. Okay. Then we're going to fan them lashes because we want to make sure they are nice in place and just not lifting throughout our day. You want to get that glue nice and tacky. And after you fan them, go right ahead and add a little, just push them on there and make sure they're all the way on. Add your mascara. And we're going to go in with our Maybelline Fit. And we're going to add that on our face. I'm going to just do a light coat. Like I said, I don't like a whole bunch of makeup because I just don't like a whole bunch of it. So we're going to put like a nice little thin coat just to get a little pop in our face, because I do not like to cake my makeup on. I am not one of those people that like to do that. I like to keep my stuff nice and natural and just effortless throughout the day. Now we're going to go in with our concealer. We're going to just add a little bit of concealer under our eyelids just to get that nice little pop, bright-eyed look. And do the same to the other side of your face. You're going to make sure that you blend in your concealer. Like I said, I don't go super light on my concealer. I like everything to just match my skin tone. I don't like to have all these bright, foundations and concealer. So you're going to just go right ahead and blend that in. Just blend it in. Pat it on the way it blends right in nice and easily. Nice and easy. Now you're going to take your setting powder and just go over that concealer because we do not want any creases throughout the day, which happens with concealer a lot. So you're going to just go ahead and put that setting powder on there. Let it bake for a quick little second. I usually don't bake too long. And then I just dust off my brush and I just wipe it away. I leave it on there literally for like not even 5 seconds probably. But this setting powder is so good where it just gets the job done. You don't have to bake super long. I apply a little bit to my forehead where I get a little bit of shine. And yeah, that's what we're looking like right now. So now we're going to take our mascara and just apply that to our bottom lids, where our lashes are. I'm going for like a nice subtle look with this. I'm not trying to make it too dramatic because like I said, I will wear this during the day. So yeah. And that's the finished look. But it's a lot of different directions you can go in with this look. Now this is more like if you don't want to wear too much And then I'm gonna let my hair down to create another persona. So this is the look. And also, I love my hair. I've been wearing my hair in twists lately, and I've just been loving every bit of it. Now, if you want to jazz it up, you can add a nice little red lip to it. I am a red lip queen. I love red lips. So you can always add red lips to this look if you want to transition from day to night. This can easily be a nighttime look if you just add the lip. But you can even wear it during the day. Be bold. So yeah, that's this look here. I hope you all liked this video. I hope you all found this video to be very helpful. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend and tell a friend. I will be dropping a lot more of tutorials on makeup looks, but I've just been having so much fun quarantine style. So y'all make sure y'all share this video, show me love, comment down below what you thought of the look and what look you would like to see next. And I hope I see you all in my next video.
You don't jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Please don't give me hype. Write my name in ice. Can't argue with these lazy bitches, I just raise my price. I'm a boss, I'm a leader. I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Nigga got this shit from Tina, I'm a savage. Yeah.
Classy, bougie,